review on the new SkinFix Barrier products. So first product, we are going to use the SkinFix Barrier Plus. This is the triple lipid collagen activating serum. 2 pumps. We're going to apply that all over her face. How does it feel going on your skin? Does it feel cooling? Does it feel?
Feels kind of cooling. Feels not thick. Feels really lightweight.
Good. It also kind of sticky, so I think it's going to be really good under makeup. So next we're going to use the triple lipid peptide cream. This is a nourishing, moisture-rich hydrator. So this is what it looks like inside. Then you press for it to come out. There you go. Do like 2 of those. This is also very thin and lightweight, but I also feel like it has that really smooth texture, so it's going to really help with texture on the face. Even though Elena might not have much, it will still help with that texture on the face. So now we're going to go into the eye cream. This is the SkinFix Barrier, and this is their triple lipid collagen eye treatment. I'm going to take a little bit out. It's it almost feels like a water cream. So you need a little bit, like this was way too much. Very lightweight, very thin. Okay, so now we're gonna do the Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream. This is going to be extremely moisturizing. Elena is more on the dry end, so I want to make sure that she has all of the moisture. This is very, very hydrating. I'm gonna break that in. And almost the same kind of thing. It's the more of a like water cream kind of vibe, but also we'll still have that like sticky tackiness, which will be nice for makeup. Always bring it down the neck, and I like to bring it onto the chest as well. So I definitely recommend it. So definitely go get your SkinFix set. Or if anything, out of all of the products, my favorite product was definitely the gel cream. Like if it was cool to the touch, I could definitely tell on her skin. Even she said it was definitely a cool feel to it. So yeah, make sure you go get it.